Hey, I'm JR. Welcome back to my channel. All right, today we're going to be working with KelTec 12 gauge Bullpup shotgun KS7. We're going to be changing out this buttstock for a better recoil pad because this gun definitely hits very, very hard. So hopefully this is going to help out reduce some of that recoil. First thing we're going to do is remove these two pins, and we're going to do that by taking a Phillips head and just poking them out. Next, you want to kind of give us a little tap, and it'll slide out just like that. So there's 4 screws on the stock, and you don't have to take it completely off. You just want to loosen it a little bit. 4 or 5 turns. And you just want to kind of wiggle it out. See how it's starting to come out here? And you want to do that all the way up. Boom. Okay, so now we're going to take the new buttstock. Obviously, see how it lines, just like a puzzle. The smaller end first, and push it in, and then kind of slide the rest of it in there. Like that. There we go. Okay. Some people say to start with the top and then go down. I personally find it easier to start with the bottom and then go to the top. Now we're just gonna tighten the screws up. You want it tight, but not too tight. I wanna make sure this isn't gonna go anywhere. So we've got it on there. It's pretty snug, not going anywhere. So now let's put it back on. Okay, now we're just going to reassemble it. Very important, you want to make sure that the prongs go underneath the firing pin. Make sure it locks in. Get the pins. Pins give me a little trouble. They give me trouble coming out too though. There we go. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, I can already tell the difference. Ready to go test her out. This gun definitely hits hard, and so I'm really hoping this is going to reduce some of the impact. It's supposed to take out 30%. I've got more parts coming in, so stay tuned. I'll teach you how to replace those too.